Welcome to the rich and diverse world of Indian cuisine, a culinary adventure known for its aromatic spices and vibrant colors. Did you know Indian cuisines offer over 30 different types of bread, each with a unique taste and texture? It's a journey for your taste buds you don't want to miss. From a soft and fluffy naan to the crispy and layered paratha, each bread has a unique taste and flavor. Cooking Indian food at home is an experience that tantalizes all your senses. The sizzle of spices, the aroma of herbs, and the vibrant colors of fresh ingredients create a feast for your eyes as well as your palate. Many people find Indian cooking intimidating due to the variety of spices and techniques. Click on the link below to get the 34 best Indian food recipes. Like the perfect blend of spices in an Indian dish, Keith Christ, your trusted realtor with over 36 years of experience, is here to help you find the perfect balance of comfort and style in your new home. His commitment to his clients is unmatched, ensuring you find a home that truly suits your need. Keith understands your needs and will help you find the home where you can create memories and experiences. So embark on a culinary journey with the comfort of your new home and let the flavors of India inspire your next meal. With Keith Christ by your side, you're not just finding a house, you're finding a home. Contact Keith today and take the first step towards your dream home.